today, coming to you with another video. Today we're going in Toys R Us. As you all know that they filed for bankruptcy, so let's see what it's all about. I just wanted to go in here one last time because I don't know if this store is going to be leaving or not, but let's see what's inside. Also, I might have to cut out some of the sound because they will be playing music in here. Alrighty guys, so yes, this one will be going out of business, as you all can see, but like I said, some of the audio will be probably cut out, and I'll probably voice over a lot of it because they are playing music in the store, so of course YouTube with the copyright. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and walk around the store. It's really huge, so as you can see, a lot of stuff is already on sale, but it's not really on sale. This is really how the prices honestly should be for this store, but obviously Toys R Us usually mocks up the prices about an extra $1 or $2. Now, by the way, this is a Babies R Us too, so as you can see, there's just a whole bunch of stuff here. So right now everything's 30% off, but this will probably change within this upcoming week, as you all know. It'll probably be 50% off things. I wanted one of these. Yeah, I remember when I used to want one of those little cars, but I never got one. So, but as you can see, the bikes and whatnot is on sale. A lot of stuff is just about 10-15% off, but it's still pretty high prices. Like I was saying, you guys, right now they're just really getting a lot of stuff out of here. You can see it just happened. Like, this one's just now going out of business, I'm pretty sure. And actually, this is probably one of the only ones left in our area. Now, this is in Central Park. It's located in Central Park. A lot of you will probably know where this is at, but this one actually used to sell a lot of stuff, but this one's going to, because of course they did file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy.
What's that? It's a robot.
And if I'm correct, the actual owner who started off Toys R Us did pass away, I think last week. So yeah, it's pretty sad, but haven't been in a Toys R Us in probably over 15 years. Yeah, about 15 years. So it's pretty interesting to see how they have their stuff set up here. Yeah, everything right now is about 5 to 10% off, but I haven't seen really much else higher than that. It says up to 30% off, but obviously I haven't seen anything 30% off. And as you see here, look at this. If you all are wondering what I'm using to film this, I'm using a GoPro Hero 5 and 1080p, just 30 frames. It's a standard video, so like I said, I'll just be kind of walking through to see what is actually on sale, and I might come back one more time because I'm pretty sure the next time I come back, almost everything will be gone in this store. So let me know if you guys want to see that in the comment section below. Yeah, almost everything is about 10% off, and I don't see really anything higher than that right now. So I'll probably go ahead and put some music over this, and just kind of walk through and just show you all what's going on. So yeah.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place, a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
You all can see here, this is like just Chris's stuff left over. Already this stuff is just literally like $1, $2, and it's 30% off. So obviously you can see here, it's just crazy. said earlier, but this is a Baby R Us as well as a Toys R Us too. So they are both combined, just like how they do with a lot of different stores. It's like Baby R Us and Toys R Us. And you know, I don't really understand. I get the concept of why they came up with this idea, but honestly, one of the big main or downfalls from why this company is failing so badly is basically Amazon. They just take over. You can see that free 2-day shipping is really killing it. So, and Walmart is trying to go on board, as you all know now. They just promote Walmart.com. So.
I'll be right there. I'm looking at
something.